guys, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse canvas, and it really doesn't matter the size that you get because the process is still the same. But in case you're wondering, this is a 10 by 10 reverse canvas that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm basically just cutting out the back of the canvas with my x-acto knife. I think I might need a new blade because this part was giving me such a headache, you know, but whatever. So just the back, use a pair of scissors just to remove the excess canvas. You don't really need to take the staples out. You can if you want to, but that's just more work, and this is the back side, so no one's really gonna see it. Okay, so after I was done removing all of it, I used a 60 grit sandpaper to lightly sand the front of the frame to prep it for painting, and I wanted to remove the staples in the front as well, but I only got as far as removing one because the rest were just too into the wood. I couldn't do it. If you're able to, then go right ahead, because the finished product, even after you paint it, you can still tell that there's staples. This is going up in my craft room, so I really don't care for the staples, but again, if you're able to remove them, you can go ahead and do so. I'm going to be painting mine. You can also stain it. The stain looks really pretty once you have that finished. I've done them before, but this one I wanted to use the shade First Million by My Color Shot. It's an acrylic paint. It's a metallic paint, so it's really pretty once it dries. I did a first coat, I let that dry, and then I came in with a second coat. I don't know about you, but when I'm painting, I get everything dirty, my mat, my hands. But then again, are you really a crafter if you don't get messy? So we're just going to set this aside so that it can dry. And on the canvas, it already has these folded sides, or I should say folded lines. That's what you want to cut. You want to cut all that excess. I'm going to be using my SUREBONDER glue gun along with the fabric sticks, also by SUREBONDER, because I want to secure the canvas further before using the staple gun. I will be linking all products down below, and I'm currently having a giveaway over on my Instagram. I'm giving away the glue gun that you guys see here. All details are on that post if you guys want to check it out. If you want to go ahead and purchase some of these items, I do have a discount code for you guys to use at checkout, and I do earn a small commission, so thank you in advance if you guys have purchased using my code. It's good until the 7th of February. I just really love how this turned out. The white with the gold, it's so cute. Perfect for this shaker cake topper that I purchased from a fellow maker. When she made it, I just knew I had to have it in my craft area. You know, good vibes only. I will link her down below in case you guys want to go support her. But it's just so cute. And you guys, thank you again so much for being here. Please consider subscribing, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.